All right, guys, we got hat trick hit parade break number 15Q. Rolling through the team onus over here. Vegas Pens. Anaheim, we got Jahani. Arizona Pens. Boston, Garcia. Buffalo, Caput. Calgary, Justin. Carolina, Caput. Chicago, Legacy. Colorado, Lars. CBJ, going to Bob. Dallas, Scotty M. Detroit, Andy K. Edmonton, Brian. Florida, Craig. Kings, Jimmy H. Minnesota, Sonkin. MTL, William. Devils, Maxime. Nash, Cards R Us. Isles, D-Jack. Range, Gare Bear. Ottawa, Pens. Fly, Sonkin. Pitt, J-Tech. Sharks, Caput. Blues, William P. Tampa Bay, Andy. Toronto, Chris J. Couve, R. Muldoon. Capitals, Ram. Winnipeg, Jahani. Vegas, Bobito. So we got 2 boxes left, so I'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then go grab it. All right, so number 4. So whatever the second number, the biggest second number left will be the box. So I'll go grab it. Which is box 2, because we have box 1 and box 2 left. All right, guys, good luck. Darn thing. Trying to keep it so you guys don't see the jersey. Photo. Dallas Stars. James Neal for the Dow. So Dallas is Scotty M. Yeah, Brandon Cooks. I'm doing a Brandon Cooks right there. Oh my gosh, it actually looks like it, but I'd have to be really darn good. Is the mic scratchy? Hang on. It might be that my camera mic is on. So I'm going to have to reboot right after this, guys, because you're listening to my camera mic. I unplugged it out of the input last night and didn't get it back on. So I'm going to reboot right after this because it sounds horrid. Jose Theodore. Autograph puck for MTL, which is William P. So only way to get it back on is if I reboot. I didn't realize that. I thought I had it in when I rebooted. Now the jersey. It is Paul Coffey for the Oil. We got a little PC for the Oilers. Going to Brian. Big B. Alright guys, I'm going to reboot the PC right after this so I can get the mic back on because it sounds horrid. So I won't see you guys for about 3-4 minutes. But that's the end of the hat trick. We've got one left for tomorrow. So let me reboot, guys. And then I'll see y'all here in about 3.5 minutes or so. Thank you, everybody. I appreciate it, guys.